Hi, I'm Finn from Finnovation. On this channel, we do lots of things that involve innovating. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creepy skeleton cobweb arch. These are your materials you're going to need. Some cobweb, skulls, zip ties and fishing string, a sledgehammer, stakes, and the stakes do have holes in them. This is so that we can put sticks and stuff through them. This will make it much easier. And then lots of sticks. This is my lovely assistant.
Hi, I'm Finn's dad.
Finn's dad, can you please put in the stakes?
Sure, Finn. The key to making these stakes work is you got to make sure you get them about a foot in the ground. We need something to anchor. The sticks that are going to go above the ground aren't going to be very good at anchoring. So these are going to be the thing that actually goes to the ground, and everything else goes to the stakes. We'll then use the hole. The key is to use your sledgehammer to get these babies into the right location. Does that look good, Finn?
Yes.
They don't need to be a mile into the ground, but they need to be enough that they're going to be able to support this and the crazy winds we get around these places. Maybe let's straighten it up a little. There we go. Got to make them about equal. Don't have to measure anything because this is a little bit organic and spooky. How's that look, Finn?
Great. This is our house so far. We've got a skeleton digging out another skeleton, two skeletons climbing, a skeleton climbing helping the other one climbing, and a third one up there. So, what we want to do is put our arch right in between this cement thing and this cement thing. So it's going to be like right here. So as you can see, we're going to put these sticks into the little hole that we just made here. The obvious question is,
Hey, Finn, how are you going to make the stick go to the stake?
the magic of zip ties. We're going to stick the zip ties through the holes. Zip tie it together and bam, it sticks. Ooh, spooky, it's really starting to come together. The stick is a little bit curved, as you can see. It's going to make it more of a challenge to zip tie. We had to combine two zip ties, and this is totally okay if you have to do that. This is the completed basic archway of what we're going to have. So next we're going to get into putting cobwebs, and what we did is we used a lot of zip ties, as you can see in here, and then we wrapped it with fishing string, if the camera can see that. But we wrapped it with fishing string and zip ties, and that helped so much. And when I was taking the time lapse, my camera fell over, so we didn't get a good time lapse, sorry.
One.
As you can see, we have our arch finished. Now it's time for adding the cobwebs and the fun. This archway looks pretty great. I really love the skeletons and the spider and everything.
Hey, Finn, speaking of good and skeletons, who won the skeleton beauty contest?
Oh, not another bad joke, but who?
Nobody.
I don't get it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. That's it for today.